Are cemeteries safe during a zombie outbreak? Well, if it ain't the age-old question. You're probably thinking, what kind of idiot would even ask that? Cemeteries are where the zombies come from. But hold your horses, partner. Let's take a closer look at this. First things first, what exactly is a cemetery? It's a place where people bury dead bodies. Now, who says those bodies have to be human? Sure, humans make up the majority, but there are plenty of animal cemeteries out there too. What happens if one of those animals comes back to life as a zombie? You think they'll care if they're in a human or animal cemetery? I don't think so. But let's assume we're talking about human corpses here. Are they safe from turning into zombies? According to the movies, no. Dead bodies rise from the grave, hungry for brains. But here's the thing, those are just movies. In real life, dead bodies don't turn into zombies. They decompose. And boy, do they decompose fast. Think about it. How long does it take for a body to turn to dust? A year? 2 years? Nope. Try less than a week. That's right, folks. If you were to dig up a corpse a week after it was buried, all you'd find is a pile of bones and some gooey stuff. Not exactly zombie material. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what if the zombie apocalypse already happened and the zombies are coming from outside the cemetery? Good point. But let me ask you this, why would zombies bother going to a cemetery? They're not there for the food, that's for sure. There are no brains to be found in a pile of bones. And let's say, for argument's sake, that they do decide to go to a cemetery. What then? Are they going to dig up the graves and eat the corpses? That's disgusting. Even zombies have standards, you know. So, are cemeteries safe during a zombie outbreak? In short, yes. Dead bodies don't turn into zombies, and even if they did, they decompose too quickly to be of any use. And if zombies do decide to hang out in a cemetery, they're not going to find what they're looking for. Don't worry about cemeteries during a zombie outbreak. You've got bigger things to worry about, like finding shelter and food. And if you happen to come across a cemetery, just remember, the dead won't hurt you. It's the living you need to watch out for.